Alright, so hello guys, good morning YouTube, welcome back to the channel. This is Nikhil Jain. So another beautiful day, another beautiful ride. Today we are riding with a group, around 7 to 8 more people. We might be heading towards Kundalika Valley near Andharban forest. Let's see how it goes and hope you enjoy the video. Let's go. We are over here at the meter point. About today, this is going to be a short ride, about 120-150 kilometers. So that's about it for now. I will keep you guys posted as soon as we start the ride. Let's go. So damn beautiful it is right now. Time right now is around 8 o'clock. The sun is shining, no rains, no cloudy weather, really cold breeze, perfect. So we will be stopping for a small tea break. Just tea, hopefully, and then we will carry on, and that's about it for now. I will keep you guys posted. Alright, so stopped here for a quick tea, and everyone has gathered over here at the meter point. Some had to refuel, some had some issues, so they were kind of late, but all of the gang is here now. Just gonna have a small tea and we will get going. That's about it for now. Cheers. This is the lineup for today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bikes. The road around Mulchi, you can say about 70% of the work has been done, and oh boy, what fun it is to ride on this road right now. Again, these patches of loose gravel and broken tarmac are gonna come now and then, but post that it is just damn good road, something like this. This is Kundalika Valley. Just oh look, यहाँ पे ट्रेल दिख रहा है, एक ट्रेल दिख रहा है राइट साइड में, देखो, right over there. Let's try
if we can make it. Yes, the GoPro is still on. Yeah, sexy. Just look at that waterfall. I don't know if the GoPro is capturing it. Aram se bhai. Here we are. This is Kundalika Valley. Just start of the Andharban trails. Really amazing and peaceful place. About getting here, the trails aren't really that difficult, but Google Maps and internet doesn't really works. So if you can manage that, nothing really to worry about. Really amazing trails, and this view is super awesome. Some drone shots coming up in 3, 2, 1. Apologies for the broken mirror, because on the last trails ride on the Sunday, that small fall that I had, I lost this baby, and still did not go for buying any. Oh look, यहाँ पे ये क्या कहते हैं, kind of a small waterfall. Water यहाँ तक बाइक नहीं जाएगा ना कहीं से भी. हाँ भाई. This is the Andharban forest, guys. Really amazing trail. So that's about it for now. As soon as we reach another spot, we will see you again. So another small trail right over there that led us to over here. How's the bathtub? Ek number. Mayur bhai says again ek number. This is where we are right now. Really amazing place. Just while on the trails of Andharban, this is the place. Amazing place to chill and cool off, as you can see. Yeah, as you can see. So that's about it. We will be just heading back home from here. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, do give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching.